Hello there! Today we are making fish pickle. Yeah, you heard it right. It's fish pickle. Let's see how to make that. Take 500 grams of boneless fish pieces. Add turmeric, chilli powder, asafoetida, that is hing, some salt, and mix it well. I have taken vanjaram, that is seer or kingfish, whatever it is called. Add a teaspoon of vinegar to that. Mix it and let it marinate for an hour. And then shallow or deep fry the fish pieces. For tempering the pickle, use the fish fried oil and add some fenugreek seeds, garlic, ginger garlic paste, and green chilies with some curry leaves. Saute all this on low flame. And the red chili powder, add according to your spice tolerance. Then add a pinch of turmeric, and some hing, and some salt again. It's a pickle recipe, so it has to be salty. Don't worry, it will be perfect. Add some gingelly oil. I'm adding it now because the oil that I'm using tends to foam up a little bit and becomes difficult for me to temper the spices. But you can add this in the beginning with the fish fried oil if your gingelly oil doesn't foam up. Add more curry leaves if you want, and add the fried fish and mix. Add more salt, and some vinegar, and give it a stir. Finally add some sugar, then turn off the stove. For this whole tempering process you have to have the flame on low. Don't forget that. Now the pickle is ready. Store it in a dry container like this and let it cool down completely. Make sure everything is under the oily liquid in the container. Leave it for 2 days at room temperature. Then store it in the refrigerator. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel Zesty Bowls. Thank you for watching.